In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image choice question with SurveyMonkey, a process that should take around 5 minutes. Whether you're gathering feedback for market research or simply creating a fun survey for friends, adding image choices can make your questions more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive into the step-by-step instructions. First, you begin by visiting the SurveyMonkey website. You can do this by typing surveymonkey.com directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by clicking on Sign Up. But for today's exercise, we'll assume you already have an account. After clicking Login, you'll see several options for signing in. Choose Google to log in with your Google account. This method is quick and secure, especially if you're already signed into Google in your browser. When prompted, select the Google account you wish to use. This will redirect you back to SurveyMonkey, where you now have access to start building your survey. Now that you're signed in, navigate over to SurveyMonkey's design menu. This is where you can start crafting your new survey. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the build button. This is the fun part where you draft your questions and you're ready to add some visual flair. Next, look for the option to add, then click on image choice. This feature allows you to ask questions that respondents can answer by selecting an image rather than words. With your image choice question field open, it's time to enter your question. Depending on your survey's purpose, this could be anything from which product do you prefer to select the image that best represents your mood today. After typing in your question, it's time to upload the images that will serve as the potential answers. At this point, you'll see an upload file option. Click on it and a window will pop up, giving you the option to either drag and drop an image file into the box or to browse and upload an image from your computer. Select the images that correspond to your question. Make sure they are clear and relevant to the question to ensure respondents understand their options. Once your images are uploaded, remember to click Save. This ensures all your hard work is not lost and syncs the question with your survey design. And there you have it, a completed image choice question in your SurveyMonkey survey. By following these steps, you've just added a powerful and engaging element to your survey, which could lead to better and more insightful responses. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your next survey creation project. Happy surveying!